How to create Game Pass in Roblox. First step, go to more. How to create Game Pass in Roblox. First step, go to more and scroll down and tap the create. And after this, tap this, the tree line, and go to creation. Go to creation. Opo. Opo. And go to MMBB Place. And go to three dots and go to monetization and passes. And now you can create a pass. And now that's it. Create a pass. And go to here. And tap this. Go to sale. Item for sale for how much should I? $50,000. Okay guys, that's it.